Welcome back to Mango Week. Today's recipe is a mango pudding. So let's get started. We'll be using 2 ripe Alfonso mangoes. Cut them into dices, scrape off the flesh from the mango seed as well. As a thickener for the pudding today, we'll be using gelatin. You could also use some china grass. To bloom the gelatin, in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of gelatin and pour in 100 ml of lukewarm water. Mix it well and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, to make the mango puree, add the mango slices to a mixer jar and blend to a smooth puree. The gelatin is bloomed, the mango puree is ready. Let's now start cooking our mango pudding. Cook the mango puree for 1 to 2 minutes at medium-low heat. Add in the bloomed gelatin and mix well to form a homogeneous mixture. It's now time to add the sugar. You could add right from half a cup to 3/4 cup of sugar depending upon the sweetness of your mango. Once the sugar is well dissolved, add 1/4 cup of milk. To enhance the flavor of the pudding, we'll be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Stir this well for 1 to 2 minutes and take the pan off the heat. To this mixture, now add half a cup of cream and mix it all well together. Once this mixture is completely cooled, add them into your desired molds. Seal your mold with a foil or cling wrap and refrigerate it for 8 to 12 hours.